Cassie from HelperTech, and I was going to talk to you about headphone jack repair on your iPhone. So a lot of things can mean that you need your headphone jack replaced. If you actually stick your headphones in and they don't do any sound, that needs to be replaced then. Sometimes you can have it where you only hear it out of one ear and not the other, or if you move the headphone jack around, it'll switch back and forth. That also can show that your headphone jack is failing. An easy one is if you stick your headphones in and you actually break off the jack in the port. A lot of times you can't actually pull that out just because the space is so tiny, so you have to replace that whole port. It's an easy repair to do. You come in and it usually takes about 30 to 45 minutes, and you don't need an appointment. You can just stop at any time. We have a location in Egan and one in Burnsville. Hours are 10 to 6 during the week and Saturday 10 to 3. If you have any questions, you can call me over here at Burnsville for your headphone jack repair on your iPhone, and the phone number is 651-605-2575. And like I said, you don't need an appointment. It takes only about 30 to 45 minutes, and we can get you taken care of. You guys have a nice day.